be on your side, but not my side. I struggle through the night, street lights pass me by. My foot's to the floor, I can't take this no more. I'm sick of being poor, driving this rusted 4-4. People pass me every day, who say, how's life treating you? It ain't, it's making me pay every step of the way. But yo, I'm not a quitter, just trying to buy dinner. But day by day, my wallet's getting thinner. I'm still a sinner, but toward others, I'm just a beginner. Still trying to be a winner, but this game has gotten bigger. Too many trying to stick ya, I'm dreaming of these 6 figures. But yo, I guess I misunderstood the white kid from the multicultural neighborhood. People always thought I was up to no good. I wanna quit this 9 to 5, or maybe I shouldn't. But then again, yo, maybe I should. Cause it's got me in the same place, at the same pace, losing the same race, staring at the same face, while the next man with the briefcase gets laced. I don't want the whole pie, son, just a taste, and I'll be straight. I'm not sure if I believe in fate, cause I don't think anyone should have an empty plate. Everyone makes mistakes, but now it's time to shift in high gear and get the hell up out of here. Pick up what you have, move on, we can make it through. Take my hand, we'll get there, me and you. Following this light, we fight for brighter days. We gotta leave tonight, or live and die this way. Pick up what you have, move on, we can make it through. Take my hand, we'll get there, me and you. Following this light, we fight for brighter days. We gotta leave tonight, or live and die this way. Nothing good in this lifetime comes easy, I've been there, no frontin'. You gotta believe me, I wanna be able to be stable, to take care of the girl, the kid, and keep food on the table. The challenge of this daily grind got me stressed, depressed, but yo, I'ma shine cause the town ain't gonna keep us down. We'll be the ones to survive and escape the underground. Follow this path, it's not yellow, but if we stay, I feel we won't last cause the J.O.B.'s got me annoyed. I'm sick and tired of being on and off unemployed, but I keep my faith, I make sure we'll get back on pace. And I won't quit until the checkered flag gets waved in my face, cause my mom didn't raise no fool. Here and now, I promise we'll make it through. Pick up what you have, move on, we can make it through.